Okay, good evening students. So this is Selkumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So now I am going to tell about switch statement in C program. Okay, so we are going to switch statement as well as a go to statement in the C. Okay. So now what is a switch statement in C? So the switch statements allow us to execute one code block among many alternatives. So you can do same thing with if else if ladder. So it means the syntax of the switch statement is much easier to read and write. Okay, so in a switch statement we have multiple possibilities for the if statement. So it will allow you to choose from multiple options. So when we are compared to general electric switchboard, you will have many switches in the switchboard, but you will only select the required switch. Similarly, the switch case allows you to set the necessary statements for the users. In the switch cases, we are going to turn on the fan and the light, means we are going to use the particular switches. Okay, so the same concept used in switch statement in the C. So we have multiple switches in a board, but we need only light and fan switch. Okay, so that is the main concept we used in switch statement. Okay, so the syntax of switch statement. So switch expression or value. The expression or value, this is simple conditions. That's all. So it is not a a simple one. Okay. So first case value one set of statements. So there is a case one switch statement one. So case value two set of statements. Case three value set of statement. Case four value set of statement. Case five set of statement. At the end of default set of statements. So we are going to use different five case values. The program will execute 1 2 3 4 and by orderly. It will check any condition is true, means it will give the output. The condition is false, means it will take the default value. Okay, will the default value. The condition true means it will give the output. Okay, for example, flow diagram, value 1 case value 1, case value 2, case value 3. The true means it is start to execute the from the case 1. The false means it will enter the second value. Okay, so this like you will be going to enter, going to execute remaining 5 values. Okay, we are going to see in a program display pressed digit in a birds, pressed digit in a birds. So I'm going to give 5, means it will give the 5 as a birds. Again, here government is a header fields, standard input output dot gets, and then console input dot gets. In the main function I'm going to enter data type and then variables. Printf enter the any digits, which the scanf is going to use analyze the input. So switch I'm going to use a n. So n is already described in a main function. So in a case 0, print of 0. So break. So why we are going to using a break means the input is 0, means it will check the first case. So the condition is true, means it will take the output. Okay, so that it cannot going to execute remaining cases. Okay, so that immediately going to terminate the program, so that we are going to use break statement in a switch case. So like this up to 9. So default value, the printf, it is not a digit. Okay, so I am going to give uh, 5 f5v instead of number 5. So this is give output like not a digit, because I'm using a characters as the input. Okay, okay, so the output is, so enter any digit of 5. So the 5 is integer, the output is character f5ve. Okay, enter any digit 90. So it is not a digit, it is not a digit, because I'm not using 90 as a case value. I'm not using 90 as a case value, because I'm using only 9 switch cases from 0 to 9. So that it will check only 0 to 1 as a input values. It will check the 0 to 9 and will give the character as a 0 to 1 9. Okay, so what is the different use of switch statement is the both switch case are a keyword, so that must be used only lowercase letters. The switch case all must should in lowercase. The data type case values and the value specified in the switch statements must be the same. Okay, a switchment can contain any number of cases. Okay, it will be unlimited cases, 0 to thousands or 0 to 10,000s, but it will take a more time to execute. Okay, the case values need not be defined in a sequence, they can on any orders. So the default case options, and it can be defined anywhere inside the switch statements. Okay, so this is all about the use of switch statement. So next one, go to statement. The go to statement is very simple and easy method to execute the programs. The go to statement which is used to branch unconditionally. So the programs from one point to another point, so that we using go to statement. It's not a good habit to use the go to statement. So there is a no situations where the use of go to statement might be desirable. Okay, the go to statement is used by programmers to change the sequence of execution. C program by shifting a control to different part of the same program. Okay, for example, skip and pause like this. Okay, the syntax: go to label 1, and then there's a power jump to go to statement. So we are going to, when we are going to using go to statement, the line of code is jump into another set of statement. Okay, so that is called a go to statement. For example, a main function includes standard protocol main function int age. So I'm going to G as a label name. So printf you are eligible. S as a label name. Printf you are not eligible. So printf enter your age. So scanf I'm going to analyze the input. If age greater than or equal to 18 means go to G. So go to G is a one type of label name. In the label contained printf statement like you are not eligible. You are eligible. Okay, so that is go to statement. So again I will tell you the print I'm going to check the whether the age is eligible or not for voting for eligible. So printf enter a age. So scan of percentage d. I'm going to analyze the input. Okay, if age greater than or equal to 18 means go to G. The go to G, I'm going to use a go to statement to G label name. So G is content printf your printf statement for you are eligible. Else go to S. The S label name is contains printf statement like you are not eligible. Okay, so this is called as go to statement in C. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much.